Wala na po yung katanduan. Nag-back out na po. Siya yung pumalit na number 6.
You have me, I can't shake, no.
Kumain na ba ang lahat?
Hindi pa!
Kailangan ko po ng tubig.
Ay,
Kailangan ko po ng wine.
ay.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. There was saying by a great philosophers that everything has a beauty, but not everyone sees it. In the usual questions in the beauty pageant, how will you define beauty? It's very simple question for me, right? Because beauty is in the eye of the beholder, or others may say that beauty fades as time goes by. Well, according to them, but for me, it's a beauty. It is the sum or soulmate in all of us here in this universe. Actually, ladies and gentlemen, there is no place for being ugly, and it will be just depend on how and to appreciate. That's why we sometimes say it's ugly, but try to appreciate the things the way that life
Yes,
it
zoom
is
hiba
the
ko.
word of all living. We are already created beautiful because God is the real definition of beauty. I am Alalu Himor. I am 34 years old. I was born on June 22, 1991. And I am graduated magna cum laude at Ateneo de Manila University. And I am graduated United States of the America. Scientist right now. I'm proud and honored to represent the Padua capital of the Philippines, Provincia ng Tabaco, the city of love, the city of symbolize the power and dignity, faithful and hope. Thank you so much.
Let's go.